Feeling a little tight or tense in your neck and shoulders? Let's take a few minutes and just move through some gentle sequencing to release any tension and to unlock any stress or tightness that you might be experiencing. So join me, aligning your ears over your shoulders, shoulders over your hips, feeling your spine nice and long, draping your shoulder blades down the back as we take a nice long full deep breath in. Full deep breath out, shift the gaze over your left shoulder. Full deep breath in, shift your gaze through center. Full deep breath out, shift your gaze over your right shoulder. Full deep breath in, shift your gaze through center, and then full deep breath out and center. Breathe in. Exhale, breathe out, drop your left ear towards your left shoulder. Take a nice long full deep breath in, pin your shoulder blades down your back. Take a nice long full deep breath out, gently roll your chin towards the sternum. Inhale. Exhale, float the crown of the head up towards the ceiling. Take a breath. Exhale, drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Feel a stretch to the left side of the neck and the shoulder as you pin your shoulder blades down your back and breathe in. And breathe out. Take a deep breath in, roll your chin down towards the chest. Take a deep breath out, float the crown of the head up towards the ceiling. As you breathe in, roll your shoulders forward and up by your ears. As you breathe out, squeeze your shoulder blades together behind you, back and down. One more, just like that. Take a deep breath in, roll the shoulders forward and up. Take a deep breath out, squeeze your shoulder blades together, back and down. Inhale, go ahead and stretch your arms up towards the ceiling. And then exhale, bend your elbows wide, feel your elbows in line with your collarbone. Take a breath. As you breathe out, drop your left ear towards your right shoulder as you internally rotate your left shoulder girdle. You're going to take your left hand, gently rest it on your right ear as you slide your right forearm behind the lower sway of the back. Stay here as you breathe some length and some space into the whole right side, feeling the tactile feedback of your anchor points between the palm and the forearm. Guide your ear and your shoulder away from one another. Deep breath in and out. Find your breath. Inhale here. And exhale, release your left arm down, roll your chin towards his chest. Breathe in. And out, float the crown of the head up towards the ceiling as you gently release the forearm behind the lower sway of the back. Maybe shake that out, finding a little release. Inhale again, circle those arms all the way around and up, big stretch. Exhale, find this cactus shape with your arms. Your elbows are in line with the collarbone. Take a breath. As you exhale, drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. You're going to internally rotate your left forearm as you place your right ear on your left ear and slide your left forearm behind the lower sway of the back. Collarbone is open, shoulder blades slide down, neck is long. Find your breath. Take a nice long rejuvenating inhale here. Take a nice relaxing, releasing exhale here. Feeling the tactile feedback of the palm and the forearm, creating some gentle length and space. Inhale. And then exhale again. Release your right arm down. Your chin rolls towards the chest. Breathe in. And out. Float the crown of the head up towards the ceiling. Gently sliding your left forearm out behind the lower sway of the back. Finding a little gentle movement through the shoulders. Good. Finding your alignment. Again, ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips. Nice tall spine. Nice long neck. Crown of the head reaches up to rest. Wonderful work, everyone. I hope that served you today. I hope you provide yourself with a few moments within your day to pause and to move and to breathe and to add some release for tension or tightness that might be built up from long periods of time at the screen, at the keyboard, or at your device, whatever that looks like for you. So good practicing and see you soon.